Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my side part or middle part ponytail or bun. What you're going to need for this look is a couple brushes. You don't necessarily need to have all these brushes, but I have them. I just brought out a couple examples so that you guys could see what I use. So obviously you want to make sure your hair is brushed out and combed. I brushed my hair out already. I just used this brush. I got it from the dollar store, I think, and it works really well. When I tell you, like, I'm able to take out my knots without feeling pain, I'm able to do that. This brush is amazing. You're gonna need a comb to part your hair wherever you're gonna part it. It could be the middle, the left side, the right side, it could be whatever. You're gonna need this to like actually pull your hair back. I like this brush a lot. You don't necessarily need this brush. You can use this to also slick your hair back. You can get these brushes from the dollar store, from Walmart, from Target. I'm pretty sure from anywhere. The dollar store ones, their bristles are kind of soft. They're like baby soft, kind of like this brush. But these bristles are super hard. Like, they kind of hurt. They're really, really hard bristles. So make sure if you want to get a clean look, or if you have really curly hair, I would recommend this brush. Because it does give you, like, it really does grip your hair and make it, like, straight, you know. And then I have my baby hair brush. You guys know this is, like, my favorite brush ever. I use this to comb my baby hairs. These are the brushes that you'll need. And then moving on to the product, I have all these different types of oils. I just like to put it in my hair before I put my hair in a ponytail because I feel like it makes it look extra sleek and shiny. So I used to use this Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX. I used to use it when I was out in Florida, and it actually helped grow my hair so much, and my hair was super healthy. So I've been using it again because I want my hair to grow longer. It's getting there, but it used to be really long, so I'm trying to get it back to that. You're going to need hairspray to hold your hair in place, and that's honestly pretty much it. These are the other two oils I was talking about. This is Soy Renewal Hair. This is the shine and hold for when you're done blow drying your hair. You don't necessarily need to use these things. You can use any of these, honestly. I really like this one though, so I suggest you guys go out and get this one. I'm going to be using this one in my hair today. So let's get started. You can part your hair however you want to part it again. So I'm just going to part mine to the right. My part is already there because that's normally where I part my hair at. I'm just going to make it more defined using this comb. So now that my hair is parted, I'm going to take some of my oil, the argan oil I was talking about. I'm just going to take literally a little bit, not a lot. Literally, like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's not a lot at all. I took very little. And I'm just going to rub it in my hands and put it on the ends of my hair. I try to avoid this part because this part is where your hair is going to look greasy. So if I put some up here, I usually just like barely touch my hair. Just like that. I usually put a lot on the sides here because this is where I have my baby hairs at. And you can just put the rest on the ends of your hair. You're going to take your comb and you're just going to brush your hair. Now, I don't like using my comb. I'm not used to using my comb. So I'm going to go ahead and use this brush. So again, you're going to take your brush and you're just going to brush it back. You're going to need hair pieces, obviously. So have your hair pieces ready. Normally when my hair is curly, this process takes a little bit longer. Only because I have to brush through all of my curls. So now you're going to take your hair pieces and you're just going to put your hair in a ponytail. I have 2 hair pieces. You don't need 2 hair pieces. You could just use 1. I just like using 2 because I feel like it keeps it in place. So now I'm going to take my baby brush. I'm going to spray it with some hairspray. And I'm just going to comb this part of my hair to make it stay in place. And then once you're done doing your little ponytail, if you want, you can straighten your ponytail, you can curl it, you can curl these little hairs hanging off the sides. I'm just gonna leave mine straight. My hair already is straight, so I don't need to really flatten it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's super easy. 1, 2, 3. It does not take long. So hopefully you guys learned something. This look is a little bit more difficult when your hair is curly, so I'll try and do a video on how to do this look when my hair is curly. It's a lot more difficult actually. My hair is straight right now, so this takes me like 5 minutes. It's really easy. But when my hair is curly, it might take me like 10-15 minutes because you gotta brush through all the curls. This is what it looks like. This is the finishing look. Super easy, not hard. So that is it for today, beauties. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know how you like this look, or if you guys have any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and turn on our notification button so that you guys get notified every single time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. Bye.